First thing we're gonna do is, now that we got the wheel off, you're gonna undo the ABS line, right? Disconnect that. You're gonna need a flathead possibly, or you can use your fingernails, either one. You're gonna pop all that loose. So right here, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter. Make sure you put it in reverse. Brake line, upper brake line 10 millimeter as well. All right, that's that. Make sure you put your screws to the side so you don't lose them. It's 1 and 1. All right, so you're gonna need a 14 millimeter on this sway bar end link. I need a 14 millimeter and vice grips to hold the top. May need to set up a vise for the top to keep the shot from spinning. A 15 millimeter ratchet and wrench would definitely do well. All right. Go ahead and loosen that. Welcome back.
I feel up, man.
Of course you do. All right, next you'll undo the upper control arm. 18 millimeter ratchet and wrench is your best friend. But guess what? I have power tools, so I'm not using that.
This is working out perfect.
Amazing. Ta-da! All right, so also you want to disconnect the the tie rod, I'm sorry. 18 millimeter as well. And then same thing for the caliper, 18 millimeter. I didn't want to be a team player. Okay. Caliper on the hook. Cool beans. All right, now you get a ooga dooga hammer. There it is. Yeah. Stay.
Slowly let it get him. Slowly but surely, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, come on.
Slowly but surely. Top head out. Oh, that's not gonna stand up. All right, using a floor jack gets pretty sketchy. There's not many ways to do this. The goal is to get under the hub. Like I said, the goal is to be under the hub. That's the way to get that spring. Go ahead and sit in the spring seat.
Keep jacking. Keep jacking.
All right. Now you want to take a jack stand and let a jack stand catch it, so you can reset the jack on the truck. All right, once you get that cup to sit on that lower control line, you just go on up. pry down that spindle for the upper control arm on the spindle. You just pop it on place and there she is. Once it spins, you're gonna need a Allen so you can tighten it up. Put your wrench on first, your Allen key after. Let her eat. Go ahead and reinstall your freaking tie rod in. I'm gonna pull that back this way. Right. My gloves are beyond time to exchange. These are probably gonna spin as well. Might as well get ready for that. Yep, it spins. I'm gonna put the vise on it and 18mm ratchet. I'm gonna go ahead and install the shock. What's up?
Well, man.
Oh, not a whole lot.
My buddy, that's the 24 by 14s on 38. What's jack sitting at? On the 25? It's a 5-inch lift, but it's cranked up, so it's probably like a 6. He's on 38, 38, 50s. He's on stock wheels. Yeah, but he is what? He's 14 miles in. On the stock wheels? Oh, the tires are 15, 50s. Yeah, the wheels on that, the tires don't matter how long they are. They do to the 6, but that rock's going to 0 offset wheels. Yeah, it's all stuck in.